You are meant to live this life in a very special way. And cancer gets in the way. So don't let it.
Hello, my name is Giovanna Tartarone, and I am a transformational life coach and the CEO of Sparking Change Now. So in 2017, I was diagnosed with cancer, breast cancer. And it was that knock on the door that totally changed my trajectory of my life. When I got that diagnosis, I felt like that my life was over. My mom had passed away as well from cancer. And I saw the pain and the suffering that I went through when she was gone. And there was no way that I could see my kids going through the same. So I had a strong will. It was my will that helped me to figure out how to change my mindset. And it came down to our thoughts are very powerful. And if we can take control of our thoughts, because our thoughts create our feelings, and our feelings create our actions. So I had surgery and treatment, and yesterday was my 6th-year anniversary. I'm so blessed. I decided to share my story because I want to help women who have been touched by cancer, and also those who are not taking the time for themselves. I knew that my message was very important, and I really needed help. I needed help to get this message out. So I found Cheryl on social media, but it was amazing because when I saw her commercial, it was like she was speaking to me. It was like I had a message, and I instantly connected with her, and I called.
Question: how much do you think your business could grow if you could get literally millions of eyes on your brand?
When I began the program with Magnify Your Message, I learned how to create a core message that would really connect with people's heart.
I'm Giovanna Tartarone, and I coach women to bounce back for life after their cancer journey. As a cancer survivor, I've been through it, and I know what it's like to get caught up in our thoughts and in our mind, how it can drive us crazy. So I'm here to support them and help women bounce back for life.
So after I completed the program, I opened up my own practice, and I was able to call the local media and get articles in their papers and do some podcasting, and then eventually open the doors for me to have my own TV show. You need to believe in yourself, not the outside, but you need to have that big why. Why do you want to live? Because I was confident in sharing my story and my message was clear and concise, I was able to attract more clients from all over the world. I didn't know how many media outlets I would be able to share my story, but I was amazed that I was featured in 229 media outlets. I was featured in NBC, Fox, Yahoo, and more. My future plans is to touch many lives, to help people win their battle of their cancer, of whatever they're going through, their suffering, and know that there is a rainbow at the end of the darkness, of the storm. And the storm is just temporary. I'm so grateful that I met Cheryl and the team and the help that I received. Thank you for helping me share my story, because I know I'm changing lives. Thank you.